Safety is top of mind. It's in every single thing we do and everyday life, and it's absolutely important to be mindful of the choices we make and the things we can control.
Over the last number of years, we've seen a real shift in what our members need. And that's one of the things that we've been really focused in on, is listening to our members, understanding those needs, and really being able to provide them with solutions.
We pretty much have availed all the services from Manufacturing Safety Alliance: ergonomists, hygienists, we have chemical survey, we have confined space.
We talk a lot in our organization around how do we support the development of a safety culture. We do that through education, we do that through support, and we do that through our advocacy with other partners to help support the needs of members.
They have a basket of resources that we can pull from, and they're very personal about it. It's not just flicking an email over with a price. It's coming in and reviewing what we're doing and then working with us on that.
With us focusing on these real risks, we've seen a reduction in the injury rate of about 14%. And then for those companies that are OC's core certified, we've seen about a 20% reduction over 5 years. And so we know that the work we're doing when we're focused on those key risk areas with employers, they really do make a difference. And one of the key things we're going to do going forward in 2025 is to measure that more acutely.
I'm proud of where we are now, and I enjoyed the journey to get here. Going through the core certification was very informative, and the more we grow, the more we want to maintain our level of certifications and challenge ourselves to continue to improve.
We went through the fires, we went through the floods, we've gone through heat waves. We're seeing huge impacts and adjustments in how we do work within our environments, how we take care of our employees before work, and that psychosocial side of things, right? How do they show up every day? Educating our staff on anxiety, depression, these things that were probably not part of our conversations, but now are part of our regular conversations with staff.
I try to create this safe space. I made sure that my Joint Health and Safety Committee got their first aid for mental health so that other workers on site can feel comfortable going to them.
We continue to invest into expanding our training portfolio. Now over 50 courses, translating them into multiple languages. As we know, we've got such a diverse workforce within the manufacturing sector that we support.
MSA-BC training is invaluable to us, and they have so many different ways and means to train us with different topics. We don't have to have subject matter experts in-house. What we learn from them is how we can make ourselves safer, and so it reduces our lost time accidents, reduces any types of injuries, and to stop these injuries prior to them happening.
We're really excited about what our team's been able to do by bringing relevant content that really resonates well with our membership. We're seeing really big uptick to our Make It Safe with a 91% increase in our attendance, 47% increase in our webinars.
We had our Joint Health and Safety Committee attend the Make It Safe conference. It was the right place to go to get the most up-to-date information.
The landscape of safety is continuing to change, and it's important for us to ensure that we're evolving our resources, developing relevant training programs, and really having a team that can support them on site. Through this, we know that we can make British Columbia the safest place to work, live, and play.